Everybody's here.
Bit of a prank on our browser Russ.
Yep. Oh, look at that.
Basically, ideas, we're plumbing his whole house with beer. And this guy's gonna come home and it's gonna get awesome. I don't think he's dusted under there for months. Camera.
Little camera in there. Got a shoe cam down here.
Yeah, just a pretty simple setup.
Whoa, it's like cold beer too, look.
He's going butter. No way.
Oh my gosh. Got no fresh water anywhere.
Here come the overalls.
He's filming it all on his phone.
It actually tastes really good.
Did it come? Here it goes.
Holy this is like 10 kegs of beer under this mug.
Buddy of mine, boy!
It's a nice drop and it's pouring perfectly.